not take pictures. I'm always trying to move back and get more and more.
Because you're trying to concentrate on composition. But remember the law of thirds, right? Take the picture all balanced. Right? Don't have to be centered all the time. The law of thirds, right? It should be like you here, but then you got space over here. You're trying to tell a story.
Right. That's what I find most of the time we try to capture like a little bit, even if it's still happening. It's not, oh, I missed it. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you may have thought you missed it, but you probably look at it another day and like, wow, I got it.
It's about perspective.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, oh.
That's how true it is. Cause I find myself all the time saying, I wanna show as much as possible.
I was afraid to go by myself and Uncle Hardy to get out.
You know what I mean? Not that I'm lazy, but I want your mind to still be able to go, oh, what if?
Yeah, perspective.
Well, I wonder, you know what I'm saying, you can still have that open. If I give you too much, it's all you can, you know what I mean? So you can't think.
What you see, somebody else, they probably see something else.
Right. And I say that too all the time. It's not what we're looking at. We're all looking at the same thing. It's the way that we're looking at it.
The way you're looking at it, how it makes you feel.
Right. And I always had to this with my uncle. He's one of those people. He'll see